The ones who say you can't are too afraid you will. Just do it. You know, people doubt you, people thinking you're not good enough to do what you can do, or not realizing that you're not at your prime yet. So they kind of like sitting back and just like, nah, this person ain't worth it. He ain't worth it. She ain't worth it. They can't. No. They say you can't, and you can, and you will. Just give yourself time. So, what's up, you guys? My name is Shaynawheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses, if you must, and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be about Instagram caption ideas. I decided to do this because I've seen it around on YouTube before, and also I know a lot of people usually ask like, yo, what should I do for this picture? Like, what caption should I use? Like, how can I make this caption look fly? Or, I mean, this picture look fly? And I know captions make or break your photos sometimes. So we're gonna get into a few captions that you can probably use. And if you use it, let me know. Tag me in the post or whatever. Comment below and let me know what type of picture it was, and let me know how it went. And hopefully you get mad likes. I am still growing my YouTube and Instagram, so I don't have like 1 million likes, but she's doing pretty well. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna be looking down because I tape on my phone, so my phone is over there, and I have my computer so I can look down and see the captions. If there's any captions that I've used before, I'm gonna probably put a picture of it so you can get the vibe of what the picture and the caption looks like together. So I have, how many categories? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 categories. Sorry if it ends up being loud. I am on a cruise ship right now, and there's people like loud and drunk and all this, that, and the third in the hallway. So the first caption is for self-confident captions. The first one is Lil Shorty Too Unique. Now with that caption, I would probably do like, if I do DIY, so I would probably put it under something where I had a DIY, or just like I'm just sitting there just chilling, like in a fly little fit, nothing too fancy, just simple, like type of vibe picture, so people know like, yo, I'm too unique. Like you can't copy this. This is just me. This is how I am. This is my style. This is my flavor. That's the first one. Moving on to the second one is just like the first one, but another way of saying it. Ain't no other like me. Who's like me? Nobody. Yeah, so same thing, same type of picture. Nobody like you. Maybe a cute little picture with you facing the back like this with a skirt on, or you know, just something like that. Yeah, moving on. So number 2 is I'm back and I'm better. That one I would use if I was gone for Instagram for a long time and I came back and I just look popping now, or my hair is done, real new, real fresh, different, my outfit is different, like, you know, I'm elevating. I would definitely use that type of post like that. Or like if you got in a relationship and you broke up and you was all sad and looking like crazy and nuts, and then you post this bomb pic like, bam, back and better, and you doing your thing, and you on your, you know, your grown woman stuff, you getting your life together. I would use that type of caption. Next one is you glow different when you're doing better. Now this also kind of goes with the one that I just said before. I feel like if you're in a toxic relationship, whether it's a friendship, you're with your spouse, or even a toxic relationship with yourself, you can use that as a caption. Like, you know, you're over that, you're doing better now, you've overcome whatever was pulling you down, dragging you down, and you going now. Yeah, I would use it for that. Or if you have like, if you're in the sun and have like the sun shining on you in a certain way, you know, just like sitting there and it's all glowy and, you know, just the right type of lighting. You can do that type of picture. So the last one in this subject is, the ones who say you can't are too afraid you will. Just do it. Now that one, I know, I think I used one before that too, but the last one I just used, I believe I used it on my picture where I'm in all Nike outfit and I'm just sitting there like straight face. So if you go see that, go check it out. If you checked it out from this video, comment below and let me know you checked it out from this video. You came to my YouTube and now you're on my Instagram. I decided to use that caption because of these announcements. Who's lost? Okay, so I used this caption because I had on the Nike outfit and I'm like, you know, it's a just do it type of thing. It's like an ego boost, like, you know what I mean? Like, excuse me, you know, people doubting you, people thinking you're not good enough to do what you can do, or not realizing that you're not at your prime yet. So they kind of like sitting back and just like, nah, this person ain't worth it. He ain't worth it. She ain't worth it. They can't. No. They say you can't, and you can, and you will. Just give yourself time. So that's what I did for that caption. Moving on. The next one is for all yeah petty gals and boys. This is petty captions / sub captions. So first one is, where am I at? It's funny when they switch up and pick a side. Self-explanatory. You can use that when, if you want to start drama. I would say probably not. Maybe do this when you're not in drama. And these I'm most likely gonna use. But you use that if, you know, you was going through something with somebody and there was a group of friends and all of a sudden one person stopped talking to you and then other people started to follow and they don't even know what's going on. They don't even know both sides of the story. And they switch sides and they act different. That's what you do. That's what you do. You use that. Use that for that. You go ahead. Pick your side. Pick your side. Next one is, where we at? Oh, I love this one. Oh, some captions I made up and some captions that are ones that I found that I really liked. So this one, definitely one that I made up. Competition? Why, yes, I would love some. Definitely the most pettiest of them all in this bunch. Yeah. You just gotta, if you're gonna put that one up, you gotta look bomb. You gotta look bomb. You gotta be in your bag. You gotta look fly. Like, the background has to be amazing, impeccable. Like, you just gotta be on. Point blank, period. Oh, that should be a caption. Point blank, period. That works. The next one is, I'm up, she mad, I'm first, she last. I really don't need to explain what type of pictures you need with these because it's simple. Next one is, I have perfect vision, but I see no competition. I didn't use that one yet. I actually like that one. I think I might use it. I don't know what picture I would use it for yet. Like, I'd have to look at the picture to see. For me personally, I look at the picture and be like, boom, that's it. If I decide to use it. Next one is, oh, my fault. I got her mad. Or you can say, I got her mad, my fault. And that's like, it's not really, you're not really caring. You just being funny about it. That's it. The next one is, this is the last one. She don't like me, but her boyfriend do. Now that one's kind of cold. That one, like, I don't condone that one. It is popular, but with the right picture, somebody's mad. Everybody's looking at their boyfriend like, she talking about you? I know she don't know you, but she talking about you. You like her? Like, that type of picture and caption will hurt somebody's feelings, even if they don't know you. Even if they don't know you. Moving on to the next one. This one is basically, you're the one, you're fly, you're the ish, all of that good stuff. The first one is, make you feel some type of way. Now this, you gotta go all out. You gotta really have people like, did she post this picture? Did he post this? Dude, that's how they looking on. Like, you gotta make people be in their feelings as soon as they see the picture. Whatever type of picture it is, they gotta be in their feelings. They gotta be a flabbergasted moment. Yes, it needs to be that. All right, moving on to the second one. My way or the highway. You the boss, you make the rules, they gotta follow it, or that's it. You're not with it. My way or the highway. Simple. Next one is I'm back on my boss-ish. You just gotta look fly. Fly, I see that with like you look fly like as far as outfit, or you're just in your element. Like whatever you do best, you're in that space, in that environment, and then it's, you know, breathing that life into the picture. That's for that. Next one is sauced up or dripped out. I feel like that's like some type of swaggy outfit vibe in that picture for sure. And this one is looking like a double take. Ooh. You can actually, any outfit will work with this picture, but I think like a baddie type of outfit, like really sexy, really like tight, or just really kind of racy, definitely will make you double take. Like, oh, you want the boys to turn and the girls to turn. Definitely that one. So the next and final one we're going to is let these hoes know. Okay, this is the let these hoes know division of the captions. So the first one is period. So this one, everything has to be on point. Your hair, your nails, your fit, your sneakers, period. Nobody can't say nothing about this picture. They have no choice but to double tap. And if they don't double tap, it's because they're hating. Because they like, dang, yo, you look so good. I don't even want you to know how good you look because I'm hating on the low. So I'm not going to double tap. But I want to. Moving on. Is you will never influence the world by being just like it. I definitely use that one. I forgot what I used that on. It would be somewhere in here in the video if I did use it. I would say use that if you're just showing like yourself in your best light. You're showing your achievement, something great that you're doing. So the next one is I'm playing checkers, not chess. Sorry, I said that wrong and I was mad at it's I'm playing chess, not checkers. Because as you know, chess is a more strategic game than checkers. I use that one very differently. Like I use it like just me with my hair. This wig actually, I used it just chilling, vibing, like, but I'm still giving you like some type of vibe, some type of either like fashion. Oh snap, like she look fly. Like I see how you moving, you strategizing, you know, your looks, your this, your that. I got you. I see it, I copy, I follow you. That's it. The next one is just a vibe you can't find anywhere else. I feel like that's more of like a chilling vibe. You're like in like either a dope attire or you're in a setting that's really just chill, mellow, and that's it, just chilling. Last one is follow me hoes, period. Follow me hoes, period. So yeah, that was the let these hoes know section, because they gotta know. And that's basically the end of my video. Hopefully it's not too long, because I did not want it to be that long. But we'll see, because sometimes I just be going. Oh, I don't know. It's weird, because I talk to myself all the time. So I'm probably just used to it and just lapping the gums and just going. Anywho, that was the end of the video. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you stayed to the end, thank you so much for giving me my views. If you like it, put a thumbs up, write some comments below, and let me know what you think about the video. Let me know if you want me to do more of these, because I do have, I'm gonna do another one regardless, because I enjoy doing this one. But if you want to specifically see more, so I know what type of content is doing well on my channel, let me know. If you want to subscribe because you like what you've seen so far in this video or other videos, or you believe in my potential, subscribe. Sign up and subscribe, because you believe in my videos, my potential, and how great I'm gonna get when I get better and when I get more like knowledge and videos under my belt. And yeah, until next time. Oh, follow me on Instagram, Miss Ray Kisses 22, which is what I kind of said in the beginning, but some of y'all didn't know what my Instagram name. But I'm Miss Ray Kisses 22, MISSREDKISSES 22 on Instagram. Follow me, and hopefully you guys like this video. And thank you. Enjoy your day. Later.